I mean the tracks. Do me a favor. Shout out, all aboard.
Do it.
Here come the rest of the passengers.
You
Looks
did
like
it.
we're ready to go.
But one man lost his ticket.
Maybe we can help him find
There's
it.
the ticket.
Look around. Where is the yellow ticket?
Ticket, yes, in his pocket, huh?
That's right. There it is in his shirt pocket. Good thing you saw that.
Can you turn the page? Yeah, in his pocket, yeah. You want to turn the page? There's even a farm where a lady is feeding the chickens.
There's Francis the farmer. Good morning, Francis. Look, I have an assistant today.
Well, howdy, Connor. And hello to you too, Tater Tot.
Are you Tater Tot?
I'm ready.
Okay.